In this next clip, we're going to be chopping celery. Remember, before you chop it or you put it on your cutting board, you're going to rinse it. I did pre-rinse the celery. Celery is always better fresh. So we're going to simply peel and chop the leaves off. And we only need a half cup of celery. This may be a little too much, so only one stalk of celery is probably plenty. I prefer to have it chopped smaller, like my onion. There's always different ingredients in stuffing, but I always find these ingredients work best for me. You want to make sure none of it's too thick. It will take the flavor of the other stuff away. Could probably use a little more. You don't want to go too much on the celery though. Always watch your fingers too, especially after you wash it because it will be slippery. We got half a cup of chopped celery. I'll be throwing in a bowl now with the apples and onion. For the saute pan,